Good afternoon, everybody. This is a stock market recap for February 13th. I hope you made money today. Today was my biggest day in the market this year. Great day. So, hope you all had the same. And we are looking good. We have now broken out of this equilibrium on the S&P 500, and now we're just facing these resistances here. We're coming up to them, but coming out of an equilibrium, this could rally for us. It's looking very promising that we're going to get this bull run. We will find out shortly. So, where's the NASDAQ? So, S&P looks great. NASDAQ starting to shape up as well. It's a little bit further away than the S&P, but it is quickly catching up. Once again, it out of this equilibrium, we started hanging up on the top half, and then we've broken bull. So NASDAQ tech looking great. The Russell inside bar, and we're just still choppy on the Russell. Not sure how long this will take, but the more the rest of the stock market goes up, should lift this as well. We do have an inverse head and shoulders. We're looking at, no, it's just this equilibrium. Yeah, it's kind of no, I wouldn't call that an inverse head and shoulders at this point. The Dow closing strong, we're still in this cup and handle here. Looks good. That we didn't even lose the 0.382 is great for a launch pad, and we've just cooled off for a couple weeks now, which this is great. All the Dow, the financial sector, the healthcare sector, the industrial sector, looking great. SMH, we've broken out as well. Equilibrium, everything's pointing up. Now we're in the gap fill territory, and the only thing we're just looking up at this resistance right here, I guess. So IBM looking good, still in this equilibrium, but we could, with the rest of the market, this is one of those names that we could see lots of upside in. Some earnings continuation. IBM and Pltr, those are my lead horses right now. They are absolutely killing it for me and lifting me up. I'm playing the all-time high names. So my account's already in all-time highs because I'm playing the ones that are in all-time highs, and they're the ones lifting the market. So my account saw all-time highs before the S&P would. Pltr looking great. Yeah, a little bit of a gap down today. Or no, what a tight range. Is that it on the daily candle? Wow. So we are currently 1866. Yeah, we're just under the all-time high here. We'll see. This is such a tight range, so we'll focus on the break of this, but we do have the all-time high resistance right above it. I'm still interested for an hourly oversold. Maybe at the 8 or 12 daily moving average. Tesla looking great. Bounce continuation on the daily. We're just looking for a daily lower high. So I will start taking profit if we're looking for a daily lower high than 380.55. So I have weeklies. I'm probably I'll definitely take some up here I'll definitely take some here. I will definitely take profit here. We have the 50 moving average, this resistance. We're probably going to struggle there, and I don't need to have them decay. I might buy a pullback, but that's kind of what I'm looking at for Tesla. So far we have bounced from this point. Oh, we're at the golden pocket. Yeah, they're for next Friday, so I wanted to get a bit more of a bounce on it, and it's all a profit position too. So I can risk, or I can lose 100%, and it was just profit. RGTI seeing its daily bounce, closing at the high. A little bit of a hammer candle. Just broke above and closed above this candle, so we're bouncing officially on the daily. We're just looking for a lower high than 14.49 at this time, but we've bounced enough. Take this. Okay, so we're backwards. We're just breaking above the 0.382. So when this tops out, we would be expecting a higher low. Ideally, if we see a bit more follow through, we have to at least hit the 0.5. I have a feeling we're gonna. This is one of those names like the 4 hour. We hit our 4 hour oversold, marked a bottom here, and we made a huge run, like 150% or something, or it was quite a move here. And we just hit 4 hour oversold again, and this could have marked another higher low. So that's why I position myself. RGTI is actually one of my biggest holdings at the moment. Between that, Tesla and Palantir and IBM, those are my main holdings. That's why I keep reviewing them. Baba, seeing more continuation. I'm mostly out. I have a little bit of a runner, but I want to see this go like to the 120s, at least into the mid 120s, and then I would love to play a back test. So we are right there, almost a double. Oh no, we didn't even break the high. We didn't even break it today, so we closed at the high of the day. Looks good for tomorrow. We want to see more continuation. We do have earnings coming up next Thursday. Nvda. Actually, this is another one of my big holdings. We're at the golden pocket, still catching upper wicks at this point. We set this quick higher low, which is great. And when this move tops out, we'll just be looking for a higher low than this. So Nvda looks great. We just have these resistances, and possibly the gap fill could be an issue, and then this double top. But Nvda looks primed, ready to go. Coming off the 200, like here we came off the 200. We haven't even touched the 200. That was the closest, but look at the rally that we had. So we'll see how this goes. We still have this. Okay, we could be in like a monthly head and shoulders. Is that? Yeah, possibly. This could be a bigger monthly head and shoulders. We do need to set this monthly higher low and continue. So we're looking for a weekly higher low than this, 149, 148.97 with the size of this pullback. So we would expect a lower high, but still looks good otherwise. Microsoft's been weak. Daily daily outside bar. So this is exactly what we want to see now. We broke down and then closed within, closed above the daily bear flag. Now we're pushing back up. So we want to see more continuation. We're just looking for a lower high than 418.65, and then we have this 422.86, but we would expect a lower high and then a higher low, and then we could tighten up here. I wouldn't expect it to just break above. Apple, still looking for a lower high, and we've got this giant equilibrium on the watch. So this can play out for weeks, more weeks. Reddit, big volume day, kind of an indecision candle. It could go either way tomorrow. So that will be important which way this breaks, whether this just sets a higher low and we just keep beasting along. But yeah, I mean, we're just kind of might be just back testing this previous high again. Still looks good. That is quite a recovery. Good recovery. We got 2 inside bars on the 4 hour, so we'll see what it opens up tomorrow. AVGO looking good as well still. Still just grinding up this 12 daily moving average. Inside bar on the day, so let's see where this breaks tomorrow. Volume's drying up. Nflx just beasting along. Google starting its daily bounce, just looking for a lower high than the breakdown day. 190 194.55. RDW has just been beasting along too. New all-time high today. 26.66. Oh, double top at the high. So we need to break out. Otherwise, we're looking for a higher low. But yeah, currently a double top. Weekly double top. Monthly double top. We have to break that. Coin, big day. Earnings after hours. How did we do? Kind of a nothing burger. Doesn't look like much. Yeah, not much of a... Just a... Options got killed. Meta, oh, just beasting along. Damn it. Yep. Hasn't seen a significant enough pullback that I want to get in. But that's the thing. When these moves happen, they could just go. Like, go for long periods of time and just know, like, look at this. Like, how do you... It's hard to get in this when it's just constant. These are hard things to get in. Honestly, like, off the daily 12 moving average is probably where I would look, and hourly oversold. But it's hard to get into these melt up modes. Like, hard to make positions. And then you feel like you're always going to be buying the top, but it just keeps going. Amazon... Still, well, we broke bear with no follow through on this daily. So that's a good sign, I guess, for the bulls. We closed at the high. We need to break to the upside and get the daily bounce underway. Then we're just looking for a daily lower high than the gap down, or this 239.66. Crowd just absolutely killing it. Blue skies. Missed my moment to get in. But yeah, it looks great. Just keep raising your stop every daily high or low. We are overbought on every time frame. Oh, not the weekly yet. Oh yeah, we still got a little bit of room. Possibly we're just hitting overbought on the weekly, and the monthly has a little bit of room too. Yeah, we have room to play on crowd, but there is a climax coming here pretty soon. With it could make it up to 500, no problem though, on this move. MBLY. Okay, well, yeah. See, like I said, AMD is just a dog. Why play these dog names when they're nowhere near all-time highs? It's just looking for a daily lower high. We've made enough room that we can make possibly a higher low, but why would we play that when we have Nvda and TSM and AVGO? Everything's so close that you have blue sky breakouts. And they're the names that will get bought up first, not these names. Nobody likes these names. Eventually, there will be a time that they turn around, but why? Well, we'll play the momentum. Okay, well, that's all I have to say for today. I want to see if there's any stocks I'm looking at tomorrow. Just going over quickly. APP looks like a great name to play. App. New all-time highs. It's going on the list. Bros. New all-time high, going on the list. What's this? CRH. CRH looks like a good candidate. CRH. And see, these are the names you should be playing. Add NI source. I'll be adding that to my list too. Playa PLYA, beasting along. T-Mobile, TMUS, TMUS. Walmart still going. Waystar Holding Corp, Way, and Yum. Check these tickers. Follow the all-time highs. If you follow all-time highs, you go all-time highs. All right? That should be my motto. Okay, I'll